Welcome back to Robot Rabbit Farm. I'm greeting you and I really appreciate you for everything. So, I want to train you today, this evening, based on how to produce or make rabbit feeder. If if you doing rabbit feeder, if you use what's it called, plastic, it's not good. It's not advisable to use plastic and other material. If you use something like maybe aluminum to do it, when the aluminum is here, it can cut them. And if you use plastic, they can chew the plastic. So we have a very good and the best material for doing rabbits. It's just like ceramic. You use sand, cement, water, and then the mold that you're going to use. So let's go on to the training now. So I'll teach you on how to do how to mix and everything. So let's go on to it now. So this is all what you need. Use water. Use a smaller plate. These are the bigger ones.